What's up, people? My name is Jack. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to do some music video effects. That is right, just a few music video effects that I actually know how to do pretty quickly that are quite simple but look really nice and are very effective, but like I said, are also quite simple as well. So it's not going to be trying your brain or creating too much of a crazy composition and, blowing your head up because of how hard this is to edit. No, it's gonna be easy, don't worry. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, people, so hold tight. Let me just import over a good old music video that I actually edited before, and we're just gonna be doing some new kind of effects. So this is a music video that I edited for two rappers that live in my area, or 35 minutes on the train for me. We linked up, made this video, put it all together. I am gonna be showing you guys some pretty simple effects. So first off, this is not the actual composition I made this in, so we're gonna just have to cut out some effects real quick, cut out some clips real quick. Once you actually have your clip, we are first gonna be doing a very simple effect called the ghosting effect, okay? Super simple, really easy, nice effect, okay? So first off, hold your clip and hold Alt as well, drag it up, and that will duplicate your clip. Then, you are actually gonna wanna go ahead and set the opacity, right, to, let's say 50%, right? Or yeah, 50%. Then go ahead and right click your clip and go to speed duration. And the best to do, I think, is probably around 70. Let's try 70. And then of course cut the clip right here again. And now let's just go ahead and render that in and out and see what it's looking like. And that is going to be the ghosting effect. Let's have a look. Oh, okay. So it's cool. Definitely cool so far. Cool, so boom, that right there is the first music video effect that I know that's nice and simple. You see, of course, I just did that to any random clip, but if you do that to a specific clip, or maybe when you're actually shooting the video, you keep this effect in mind, it could work really well. See, that looks very dope right there, pretty different to be fair, and now we are just gonna move on now to the magnify kind of effect, and this effect is gonna be just pretty much magnifying these guys in a certain part. So whenever they go across a certain part of the screen, it is gonna magnify them. This clip right here looks like a good clip to do it at. So go ahead and get your clip. Let me just chop and change this to make sure it's just one clip and not part of the other edit. Boom, end it there. Same thing, we're gonna wanna just duplicate the clip, hold Alt, drag it up, and this is gonna be a little bit different. Not as quick as the last one, I suppose, but still pretty quick. Now that we've actually duplicated that, guys, we want to go ahead and go to the opacity right here. Go ahead and click this one. This is gonna create a mask, okay? Now, we don't really wanna fit. We wanna just, oh shit, no. 150, no, whoa, 10%. A little bit closer, 25, okay. And now just go ahead and make, I guess whatever shape is gonna work best for you, but you see, for me, I'm gonna try to do it to this guy on the left, and pretty much, I want to create kind of a mask on just his side. So he is going to be crossing that blue line, enough, yes, boom. I wanna go ahead and go to here, boom, mask one. Just go ahead and create a cool sort of mask, right? So let's go ahead and do it like that, boom. Now we are going to want to go up to the, or actually down here to the feather quick and just go to like a 150, right? I know that's a big feather. We'll see if it works in a second. Then go ahead and take the scale up a nice bit. And you're probably getting the idea of this effect already. But now let's just go ahead and render this in and out. And the idea is whenever he crosses over this, this mask, it's gonna make him bigger. So let's just see if it worked. Complete freestyle here. Okay, so it's looking different, not looking the coolest in the world. Of course, I just set that up in about 2 seconds. Let me go back to it quick. Mask, maybe we bring this down a little bit, you know what I mean? Just so it looks a little bit weirder, you know what I mean? You can play around with it in any way, really. So now when he goes there, that's looking even cooler. In fact, it might look a lot cooler if I just go ahead and take this and just put it almost just going through the whole thing. And now it's just gonna be straight down the middle. So whenever these guys kind of cross it, it's gonna be amping them up a little bit, and that actually is why you wanna do the feather, because it just look a little bit weird. 80, let's see what 80 is looking like. So it looks a little bit weird. not the best, not as nice as the freestyle on the last one did. I'm just freestyling these really quick, guys. So of course, if they don't look cool, whatever, that one looks dope. I freestyled this one real quick as well, and it didn't look as good, but you guys now know the idea for it, right? So if you pretty much just take this basic idea, play around with it a little bit longer than I am, it could be very, very cool. You know what I mean? It's just about finding the right clip to do it on. Amplifying a little bit of them could look cool if their heads are just a little bit bigger than normal, you know what I mean? But now we're gonna go on to the final effect that I'm actually gonna show you quick. And we're gonna go ahead and do that on a clip where it's nice and close up, I believe. Or maybe one with some movement. It could work here. Now, what we're gonna wanna do is find where we want to actually do this. This is kind of gonna be like a pulse effect, okay? So right there, when it actually comes back in, you see from being not in focus, when it comes back in to my guy right here, I want it to pulse. So we're gonna cut it right there. Go ahead and just duplicate this. Right click on, or actually my bad, don't right click it. Once you've duplicated where you actually want it to pulse, okay, you're gonna wanna click the top layer after duplicating it, go to Clip, Video Options, and where is it at? Add Frame Hold. So that's just gonna freeze that frame right there, boom. So it's gonna play, obviously, comes back and just freezes. Obviously, that looks terrible currently, but here is where we're gonna mess with it, okay? So it originally goes right here. Then we're gonna wanna go ahead and just do 50 on the opacity. The scale needs to go up a nice bit. Let's bring the scale up to about 150. And then here is the cool part. When we go to effects, let's just go ahead and type in fade, and let's look for the crossfade. The crossfade. No, that is that is not the crossfade. Cross dissolve, my bad, not the crossfade. And we're gonna want to add the cross dissolve to the end of this clip right here. But of course, we need to make this clip much quicker. So the dissolve really just starts instantly. So let's have a look if we did this right. Let's have a look. Okay, that that didn't look too good because it lasts for far too long. And also, I believe we want to take down this. But let's have a look if it was just at 100, right? Actually, my bad, guys. I completely forgot. Go to blend mode. Go ahead and set it to like color dodge. Something different. And of course, then bring the scale back up a little bit. This has been a little bit all over the place, to be fair. And now when it hits it, boom, it will kind of just pulse a little bit. Of course, I've done this really, really quick, so it's not really looking as sick as it could have. But you guys kind of get the idea, sort of. That right there has not worked out as well. It looks very mediocre on that last one. To be fair, out of the music video effects, I think you got the kind of right idea, but overall, the only one that really has killed it is this one right here, I believe. This right here is definitely one of my favorite effects to actually use when making music videos. It is the ghosting effect, extremely nice. Boom. I'm gonna give us an A for effort because we definitely tried, but I have not used these effects in a long enough time. Tried to freestyle the video. The second two didn't work out perfect, but you guys definitely get the idea. I hope you still picked up some sort of, I don't know, general information that you guys can apply to your own music videos from this. That's the ghosting effect. This right here is the kind of reflection effect or the fragmentation effect. It works really well if you do multiple different masks, right? So let's say we duplicate that mask and then just drag that one over here now. So it's like there's multiple different parts. It looks like it's fracturing. Just play around with that one. And the last one, this burst, that looks absolutely terrible. I'm just gonna delete that. Sorry about that last one, guys, but overall, I hope the first two kind of helped you out. The first one, I assume, definitely would have helped you out. Very cool effect. These are just some basic music video effects you can create in literally 10 minutes while you follow this tutorial with me. I just, you know what I mean, freestyled those, the last one pretty badly, to be fair. But thank you guys for watching the video. I've been Jack. Have a nice day and goodbye.